This entire process was never about me, never about any threat to the public, and never about terrorism, a word used by your government to discredit people you oppress, both in Ireland and across the world. It was always about Palestine, about what happens if you dare to speak up, about what happens if you can reach large groups of people and expose their hypocrisy, about the lengths Britain will go to cover up Israeli and US war crimes. As people from Ireland, we know oppression, colonialism, famine and genocide. As people from the north of Ireland, we know it even more. As people from West Belfast, it still affects our communities and our families. We have suffered greatly, and we still suffer under British occupation. An occupation built to dehumanise, an occupation built to divide. Your attempt to label me a terrorist have failed, because I was right and yet again Britain was wrong. I will not be silent, Kneecap will not be silent, the people of West Belfast will not be silent.